Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Euphoria. Today it's 27th September and I'm traveling to Ahmedabad to visit one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. So in next video you will come to know about this place. I have reached to Ahmedabad. I'm so excited to visit this place. This is the 100 rupees note issued by our RBI. Look at this picture. This is one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Site. And now the wait is over and we have reached to Rani Ki Vav, which is around 140 kilometers away from Ahmedabad city. So let's start our exciting tour to this historic place. So come with me. Rani Ki Vav. It is also known as Queen's Stepwell, is considered as the finest and one of the largest example of stepwell architecture in Gujarat. It is situated in the Patan district of Gujarat state. It is located on the banks of Saraswati river. It is constructed by Queen Udaymati in the memory of her husband Bhima. This is constructed in the 11th century, about 900 years ago. It was a hidden structure buried under the sand until 1940, and it is restored in 1980 by the Archaeological Survey of India, and it took around 30 years to restore this place. This is one of the finest and one of the largest example of this kind of stepwell and is designed as an inverted temple, highlighting the sanctity of water. The stepwell is divided into 7 levels of stairs with sculptural panels. There are more than 500 principal sculptures and over 1,000 minor ones combine religious, mythological and secular images. Normally in ancient era we have observed that king used to make such monuments for their queens, but here Queen Udaymati has made this monument for her king Bhima. This stepwell measures approximately 65 meters long, 20 meters wide and 28 meters deep. There are about 212 pillars in this stepwell. The sculptures in stepwell depicts numerous Hindu deities including Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Mainly you can see the Dashavtaras of Vishnu in these sculptures. There are large number of sculptures of Apsaras in different ornaments. All these sculptures are made from sandstone, which is also called as Balwa Patthar in Hindi. So you can imagine the precision and accuracy while making these sculptures. None of the current engineering techniques could match this precision. This is amazing. Look at the fine work on these articles, and especially look at the mudras. They are all different. here are some of the beautiful pictures of these sculptures. Can you imagine the complex process of recovering and excavating this place started in 1958, and it took around 30 years, and now it is in front of us in this shape. So hats off to the work which is done by Archaeological Survey of India. Each and every corner of the stepwell is studded with such beautiful structures. Look at the minute precision and details in this pillar design. I'm trying to focus on the Vishnu sculpture in that square, but unfortunately I don't have that good camera, so I could not capture that image. Today, Rani Ki Vav is one of the top tourist attraction and historical places in Gujarat. Initially, all the areas of the stepwell were open to the public. However, after the earthquake in 2001, some parts were found to be damaged and sensitive, so Archaeological Survey of India has closed some of the parts for public visit. And one more thing, Rani Ki Vav was awarded the title Cleanest Iconic Place in 2016. It is said that the water in this well has the medicinal properties and it can cure diseases and ailments. I hope you all like my blog. Your all suggestions are most welcome. Have a great day and enjoy the life. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.